Oh my god. Hello guys, this is my first video on my channel. I'm gonna be reacting with my brother right here. And I'm going to be reacting. Everybody sees this video. It's how a real nigga make grilled cheese. This one. Let's check the reaction. So I'm gonna pause it right now because when it starts, I'm gonna pause it because it takes a long time to wait. Cause he's trying to be funny. It looks funny. Dong. Because he already saw it, right? He already saw it, and he told me to react to it for you guys can see me react to it because I never saw it before. But I can see it's already gonna be funny. What is that? Is that a dong? Alright, so let's start.
What's up, niggas? Zod's back in the kitchen, coming harder than ever, nigga. What's up, nephew? You good? Shut up. So, let's say you at night, right? You hungry, you hungry, nigga. You need something quick and easy. You don't want a sandwich, but you want something that's gonna be off the stove. Get the stove. Yeah, just clean mama kitchen. Smell like cleanliness, nigga. Alright, so as I was saying, today we're gonna make some grilled cheese, nigga. Get your stuff ready. Move, nigga. Shut up, Jay. Man, niggas messing up my video production. Hold up, we need something to cook with. Alright, hold up. This might be kind of cool. Nah. We got these old forming behind skillets. We need something to cook with. Yeah, this cooked. Alright, so now you got the stove, you're gonna need some bread. Just get out my way! Need the bread.
Get out my way!
Go to your local Walmart, get some of the white, it's just called white sandwich bread. Pick up the white sandwich bread. You ain't got nigga bread, so we ain't tripping, you know what I'm saying? You wanna see some nigga bread? Come on, nephew, we got nigga bread. Hold up, nigga. Nigga bread. Check it, nigga, close.
Wait.
Nigga bread. Let's go back. Move. Come on. Alright.
Nigga bread.
Now what you need? Some
Is
cheese.
he laughing?
Can't make grilled cheese with no cheese. Throw the cheese over there. Come back. You'll need a stick of butter. So personally, I go with the blue bonnet because it's a white lady. So you know white ladies know how to make that butter. You know what I'm saying? Because they always some cheese. So let's do it. So now like that, you want to turn the stove on to buy. See, we got the four-pier stove. You know what I'm saying? These ain't out yet. So we're gonna put it on sale. Sale. Say sale.
7.
It's sale. You know, alright. So
it's blocking up his face.
how we gonna do that? We're gonna chop up.
I'm gonna pause it right now, guys, so we can wait. Alright, y'all. Now we're gonna start it again. Lego.
Cheese. Now what the cheese is, hold up now.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, guys. We just got an apple. We ain't tripping, okay? I got a green apple. He got a green peach. Lego with the video. So weird. Ow! Ah! You burned it! My finger burned it.
I got a cheese cookie. Get you one. We don't claim these things. Cool, I ain't. Now look, I'm gonna get you a butter knife.
I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna pause it again. Oh my god.
Are you open or too much?
It's perfect. So it's fucking weird. Feels like laundry.
See?
I'm just kidding. Alright, guys. I just got some salt for some delicious salt for my delicious.
Didn't you pause it?
Green apple? Yeah. No, it's going. See? Oh my god.
Wait.
Alright, guys. Let's continue.
You're gonna go like this. One small precision. That's all you got to do. All in a flick of the wrist. Alright, cool. change it up. Come get the cheese. Now the cheese cooking, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna marinate. You gotta get it marinated, you feel me? Now move before I chop your head off. You gotta get the bread. Oh, look now. Don't you make now what noise? Now what noise? How school just, what school we going like? People say they miss you on the YouTube. Put the camera on me. They say they miss you on YouTube. What's going on? Just where you been at? Your mama trauma. You can't be eating booty and stuff. Hey, yo, sis, I'm running your fade. Me and my baby, because I'm babysitting. Now, so I got father duty. All right, so now come get the stove. You don't look like my hairline. So we're gonna do that, then get it rolling. It burned me. That's all good though. Come a real nigga, you feel me? So slap on the cheese like this, y'all. Just you got the cheese. Get the cheese. I did. This nigga, I did. Shut up, nigga. So now I think I make another small position. Now look. Alright. Now we got the cheese, the butter going on. Time for you to slap on that cheese. Boy, they gonna be banging, boy. Alright, now we hey man! This nigga messing up my production, dog. Stop laughing. This is not a laughing matter. This is dead serious, real nigga cook. Here, give me the camera, man. Why you laughing? Man, bump this, dog. Y'all niggas keep laughing at me, dog. It's not funny. Hey, y'all sponsored by cat food, you know what I'm saying? The dollar store cat food. Hey, you need something, holla at your boy. Man, get up! Come on, man!
He's laughing on the floor.
Hey.
What you doing?
I don't know what dance that is. I don't know how. Oh! Nigga shit. Alright. I'm looking at grilled cheese. That Walmart bread is something serious. That's crazy, boy. Get your feet out the stove! Baby, feet all in the stove. I'm gonna call child service on me, boy. I'm going in. Uncle Josh going in today, boy. Alright, now we got the grilled cheese going on.
No!
It's cooking, boy. Who want grilled cheese? You want grilled cheese? No. You're a rich. Get out of my house. Awesome. Come get the cheese! How my cheese look? Good. Come here, Jay. How my cheese look? You nigga don't eat cheese. How my cheese looking, boy? It looking good. Y'all looking good, boy. It look like Aunt Jemima. Back on the food. And you gonna make grilled cheese just that fast. Get the cheese. Zoom in on the cheese. Walk closer to the cheese. How that look? Bomb. Oh man, my grilled cheese. Oh, bomb. Back to life. That's it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you make grilled cheese. You know what I'm saying? I ain't sponsored yet. So if you want to sponsor me some cheese, nigga, I'm your boy. I'm your boy. But this has been, you know, the realest nigga on the block. You know what I'm saying? Babysitting my kid. Watch our footwork. But yeah, this has been Josh. And who else, nigga?
You.
This nigga look like Wolf in the Grave. Say these nuts.
These nuts.
Got it. We won't catch y'all niggas later. But before I bounce, what y'all want me to cook next, nigga? You know what I'm saying? Comment below. Boy. But this has been, you know, the realest nigga on the block. You know what I'm saying? Babysitting my kid. Watch our footwork.
He said babysitting my kid.
But yeah, this has been Josh. And who else, nigga?
You.
This nigga look like Wolf in the Grave. Say these nuts.
These nuts.
niggas later. But before I bounce, what y'all want me to cook next, nigga? You know what I'm saying? Comment below. I can't cook chicken yet, cause my mom don't trust me like that. But yo, mom, check out my grill. That grill chicken looking good. This has been your boy Zosh. I'm out. Peace. Subscribe to my channel.
Alright. Alright, I guess that was the video, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Holla at your boy right here. I might be doing some other reactions. Shit. And some other stuff. Some other shit. And yeah, guys.